In this video, we will discuss how to program position 4 as a standard preset or an X-ray rinse button on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then select Settings. Scroll down to Equipment. Then select Chair. Scroll down to X-ray rinse. Here you can enable or disable the X-ray rinse function. Press Select to save your desired setting. Press the Chair button to exit the menu and return to the main screen. Notice the arrows showing backrest movement on position 4. This indicates that the X-ray rinse function is enabled. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.